will take an ice bath right here. But first, let's go back to the start point.
Sometimes, because of workload and life pressure, we forget to listen to our body. So today I decided to jump into cold water to get into harmony with nature. But before jumping, let me tell you what we did so far. Yesterday after work, I drove to pick up my online friend and head to our campsite.
Yes, sometimes I hang out with my online friends. You know, guys, it's really good to see you face to face, not just across the screen on the cyber world.
Let me introduce you to
Hey, this is Hazhar.
Hazhar is from Chwarqurna city.
Hello.
We decided to camp here tonight.
Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Are you ready to see our campsite? This is our tent, bonfire.
After set up our tent, we had barbecue, made delicious food, drank tea, played dominoes and chilled by the bonfire. Beside that, we went for hiking and even found a cave.
Well, look at this beautiful cave. It's a good place for like a shelter for wind, rain and snow, or if you camp over here with this beautiful view. I'm a man full of fear. So it's the final countdown. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get ready. Guys, it's time to jump into Mother Nature bathing tube. So cool. Safety first. I don't want to be cold. I need someone to push me. Do you like my 6-pack, by the way? This is 1-pack. My motto, here's the new 6-pack. The problem is, I don't know how safe this place is. It's really cold. I feel awesome. It's so cold. It's freezing. Ice bathing been on my list since a very long time, and I'm so happy that finally I picked it up. Wow, it's so good. Guys, if you want to try this technique, it's better to just stay like maximum 10 minutes inside the freezing water. It's so good for blood circulation and to boost our immunity system. And now it's time to... Ya Allah. Yo. Done! Guys, I don't feel my body, it's like I got anesthesia. Seriously. I feel fresh, I feel accomplished.
And that's a day with Hazhar. Cheers.